Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be looking at how to download the trading platform. Now, the trading platform is basically where you'll be trading from, and it's important you get it downloaded either on your laptop or on your phone. So depending on where you want to start trading from. Okay, firstly, to do this, you need to first of all log in to your Tickmill account. Then, when you get to this point, you will see where you have tools. Click on tools. Now, when you click on tools, then you can see we have Tickmill Trader, we have MetaTrader 5, we have MetaTrader 4. Now, when we were creating the trading, when we were creating the live trading account, remember pick the type. What we picked was MT4. So MT4 is also the same thing as MetaTrader 4. So while downloading, we'll be downloading MT4. So when we do this, now depending on where you want to work, you want to be trading with. If you're using a laptop and it's using Windows, you pick Windows. If you want to use just a web trader, then you can click on web trader. If you want to use an Android phone, you can click on Android to download it. If you're using an iPhone, then you click on iOS and then Mac. Okay, so I'm using my Windows, so I can click on Windows. Then you will notice it's downloading. So when it's done, you give it time. When it's done downloading, then you can now click to install. So you see bring it out here, then you click on this to install it on your device. Then it will bring a pop-up notice. Just click on yes, and then you give it that time to install. So it's bringing out some settings. Click on next, and then you will notice it's counting. So let it complete the download process, and then you will be done downloading. So let's give it time. Then when you have congratulations, we're waiting for you. It means you've completed, then you click on finish. So with this, you've completed your download. Now, this is the tick mail I just downloaded. This is the tick mail I just downloaded. Now I have downloaded it, but remember we have not done anything on it. We have not connected the account we created. We just downloaded it, so we've not connected. How do I know? Now, below it, you will notice invalid account. That's the status. So, when it's connected, you will see a difference. So, to do this, we need to now get our login. So, you can click on these bars here. You can click on bars here, or you come here and click on, uh, sorry, we already have an account, so you click on log into your trading account, so it will bring you this option. Now this is where you want to put in the details that was sent to your mail. You get the details, then put it here. Now make sure you select the right demo server, it's important. Then you click on login. I hope it's correct. Let me see. Let me go to my email. Okay, let me go to my email. So this is the email for the demo. I'll click on this. This is the demo number. Then you go back to the account, click on log into demo. Then you can see it's wrong. You click on this. Now for the password also, you go to your laptop, get it. So just do this, copy. So everybody has their own unique, password. You come here and then paste. So for the server, you go back to your email. So for the server, you will see it. So it is Demo UK. You can use it here. Choose Tickmail Demo UK. So you come here, then you click Demo UK, then click on login. Now, can you see the difference? Incoming mail. Can you see the difference? Now you can see it's counting. So instead of the invalid account you wrote here, now it's counting. So it means that the account is live. So this is how to download and also connect your trading. So this is your app that you'll be trading with. If you close it,